Well, Sugar Factory started originally in Las Vegas, super successful. We were the #1 Instagram restaurant in the entire country. The Chocolate Lounge concept is a sister concept of Sugar Factory, and it's really geared to people who really love and want to enjoy chocolate. In Vegas, you have a typical nightclub, you have the Ultra Lounge. Sugar Factory and Chocolate Lounge is a very, very different vibe and feel. At night, we're going to have different events. We're going to do a chocolate wine and shoes event that's really going to cater to ladies. We do a lot of bachelorette parties in Sugar Factory. We plan on doing a lot of bachelorette parties here. We plan on doing a lot of weddings here as well. It's just a beautiful setting for a wedding. I think people of Las Vegas, when they get to know it, are going to enjoy it.